Hello everyone, this is the new style. I just wanted a bit shorter beard. I think it's better like that. If you like it, just drop a comment, and if you don't, let me know. Anyways, today we're gonna install the MaxxFan Dome Plus. This will gonna be in the shower side. Keep watching and see how I will do it. This is the MaxxFan Dome Plus. I'm gonna put it here. After this, it will be the shower here. So I'm gonna install it here. I will take the measurement of this one. I will make first a hole from the inside. Then take this one and take the measurements and start cutting. Now we made the hole in the middle, and then I will go up to the roof and just make the measurements and start cut. Here it could be good, but it's too far and I don't want it to go here, so this will be here. Anyways, we're gonna cut it and see how it goes. And this is done as well. We will let it dry and we will continue. After we cut the hole on the roof, now we're gonna make the shape of wood so the screws can bite on it. We take this one and just like that from the inside first and from the outside, then like that, just like that. Now we can cut this, as you see. Then this one will be the frame that the screws can bite on it. Okay. Just like that. See? I think this one will be perfect. After it's dry, I will put some ceilings on this, like that. Like that. And now we'll just install. And now We need some clamps. Just like that. I always say that I will wear gloves, but this will happen at the end. You just forget it and you want the work be done and you just forget it. So always wear gloves, okay? And now we will let it dry a little bit, okay? Then we can continue. So now I have wired it up just for a test. It's like that. Push this button and lift it up and start it, as you see. That's nice. We successfully installed the MaxxFan Dome Plus and it works well actually. It's great. That was all of the video about, and see you in the next video. Peace.